welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Marcia, and Marcia is answering to who she refers to as Jennifer. And you guys have to go and catch the video to hear what she has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today, happy birthday to you, and I wish you joy, happiness, and prosperity, and everything that your heart desires for this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. No matter what storm clouds may rock your ship, just ensure that your ship is stable enough to overcome the storm, because you know that troubles and problems and your ship will rock once in a while, but with faith and believing and working towards your goals, you will achieve it all. So continue to working towards what it is that you want in life, and don't look at the ship that's rocking now, but look forward for the ship reaching the armor and making its landing in a comfortable space that you would want for yourself. Guys, have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day. Be safe.
Uncle Sir. So you me know who you talk to. Why you come up every time? Jennifer, it's not working. You sound stupid. A big blood clot old man like you was supposed to sit down. When last you got a doctor? When last have you been to the doctor, Jennifer? Because obviously you need a psych doctor. You need a psych doctor. Arlene will stay right from you, because I realize that based on how you're speaking, you're obsessed with Arlene too. Yes. Based on how you're speaking, you're obsessed with her. She's more than a blood clot. She's a pussy clot. She's a pad. That's what she is. That is what she is. I realize that you're obsessed with the lady too. Because you're coming here video and say, I know everything. While she was talking to you, she was transferring back everything. No, it's a lie. If she transfer anything, almost when she don't talk to me, but not on that iPhone. I mean, no, say an iPhone she used to, and an iPhone me use. Me talk right now on iPhone 16. When me buy blood clot cash in a Verizon store. And when me see she a type, it's a typing. And in less than 2 seconds, that rascal advice text message land by your page. So what time she have to forward you? If you go make you approve it and send it back. What a line bomber clot girl. If anything, she must forward you after. She must forward it after. Can't give you but not what I mean want to see it. So if I dare you to come out and show me. Because then mother say she's a psycho. And she follow you go to Jamaica to family reunion. What that have to do with me? What that have to do with me? She need to go to Jamaica. Go to family reunion. No, so you always a push and a beg people follow you go everywhere. I see him. We asked me to come to your family reunion to when we first met too. So we went to your family something. But me never trust you. Remember every video. Remember if the people them go up on social media, you know, Jennifer, and look at your previous video, then we do all a year or two ago, you know. Remember in your video, you know, your course and say, she never trusts me. I have never trust you for the past few years. Me not tell you nothing, and me not trust you. And you always a push up yourself and a text me. And there is video out here where you cuss and say she don't trust me at all. She don't trust me and never trust me. It depends on social media. Me never call you a friend. I said an acquaintances. So if I never trust you and you come out and cuss me in a video, she never trusts me. People know you she cuss me, she cuss on her page and say me never trust her. Talk the truth. Me know on must hear. People talk the truth if you never hear she cuss me and say me never trust her. When me accuse her bringing stuff back to Ashanti 360 and she cussing me and tell me say me never trust her. Talk anybody with a on the page hear that out her own mouth? And that has been going on for a few years. Tell me the God truth. Even in a voice note. You never trust me. It don't matter what I do. You never give me the benefit of a doubt. That's why you shouldn't push up your blood clot self for me. Because once me know say you do something to me, me not in a nothing with you. You are the one who's always texting me. Even when the argument come out with the paperwork, with the housing business and whatever, you know stop text me. And I tell me oh, you love me. I may never trust you, and that's what you're doing. I have a text message, Jennifer. I want thing, not delete. Nothing don't delete. I want you come back out here with your fuckery. I want you come back out with your fuckery because the way you're going, you make me involve other people. The way you're going, me will dash other people under the bus too. Because no loyalty around here. So let me tell you something. You pack up your dirty bungalow and leave Marcia Campbell alone. Because me will make you end up don't have no friendship at all with Arlene. Remember, the same knife stick, sheep tick goat. Me will dash out things. Me will make you not have no friends with Arlene. And you push up yourself on her. She never push up herself on you. Because you're not in her league. So if Arlene not growing with you, I pretend she pretend. Because me not rolling with her like that again. So use a substitute. And if she gone away with you, I because you beg her. Let me put it like that. You are not in her league to go away with her. You only can't go to Jamaica with her. She would have never make you follow her go to Europe. Because first of all, you can't manage the walking. First of all, you know, look the part. I don't want to class you up out here. Use a substitute to my friendship that I had with her. Jennifer, use a substitute. You are an option, but not a priority. If she gone over with you, or because she can't do better, because she's sorry for you, and because you're begging her to go with you. I'm telling you straight up without hesitation. You a substitute to my friendship. Arlene has always missed my friendship and always know that what she and I have when we were a good acquaintances. You are a substitute. You're behaving like a kiss-ass bitch. The way you're behaving, it come like when she asleep with a name her pussy. Just like if when Dana asleep with a name her pussy too. I saw you behave. You're obsessed over a woman. Because you realize that man refusing you. Because you don't look good. Take some time, Jennifer, and go look out for yourself. Jennifer ain't in a position to cost me. I extended the apartment you live in, and it is very cringe up a little bit. You don't even have a good blood clot stove you cook pan, a hot pot you cook pan, hot plate. If you have no little something, you can't even spin good in there. Jennifer, don't come up on social media, come put me down. Jennifer, you workless in America too. You're stagnant in America. Jennifer, you're stagnant. Just like everybody have their rough days in America. Me had my rough time. And God help me when me build back up myself one day at a time, sweet Jesus, God, tomorrow may never be mine. Jennifer, you're stagnant in America too. You don't own a house. From I know you, you're in an extended stay. Just as you were telling me to go when I was moving out of Woodland Village. You said find an extended stay. Jennifer, you can't quote and cuss me about nothing. Don't come on social media come go on like you live no life. You can't even spin good in there. And nothing wrong with living in that way. But don't come over here. Come talk to me. Don't come talk to me. Come put me down. When me I live better than you. You go on like say you have the biggest education. Jennifer is a security guard. You were selling stuff on the internet just like me. You follow me and I sell 2 little sheet and 2 little something too. You cannot speak to me. You try everything to get a little small change. Jennifer, don't try me. You can't put up and cuss me and call me stagnant bitch. Word make anything, but when you cuss me, you have to cuss me good. Everybody out here have them bad time and then good time as a life go. Especially when he's a single woman, you don't have nobody to help you. You have to stay up on your feet and get strong and do your own thing. You better you try to do your own thing. One go to go thief and sell front. And nobody no want for your front to buy. So you try your best. Don't come out here, come go on like say you have a house. You don't have a house. Arlene have a house. Odette have a house. And Mary have 2 house. A 2 house Mary have. One where she rent out and one where she live in. Odette have her house. She have a big profession and her husband have a business. Me know say Arlene have a house because I see it. So I am saying with she and her husband. So what is just me and you don't have none? You say you want to go to Florida go buy one, you buy one yet, you did that cost me a time, so me stagnant. So what position you better than me? Because I know me I get more money than you a week time, I not ask you. You don't pay for the brand, you don't pay for the truck where you drive around in a way you can't show your face. Me know you don't, me know say you're having it very hard to take out that brand new truck. And I pay for it. Me know that. I know that you're stressed out. Me not ask Christ. You take out a brand new truck must be 2 years ago. I mean, know say you take it out and I mean know you're having it very hard. You're not, that's why you're on social media I go on so. Because you're not carrying the amount of money to pay for that blood clot, to pay for that brand new vehicle where you drive. Jennifer, I can't take out a brand new vehicle if I want, you know. And I can't pay for it. I make enough money to pay for it. Jennifer, I can take out a brand new vehicle and pay for that Ross in 1 year time. I'm telling you straight up, if me really want one. You send me a freeloader, and me only walk and catch a place like a freeloader. Me never know about that. Me's an independent woman all my life. So me want to know me work in a nursing field or me's a freeloader if me a work and I pay a living job me do. I love to do, I rather to do living job me a single woman. I who want the living job and I want to get up every morning in a cold time and get up and go to work. If a living job, a living job. You take living job if you don't want to pay a bus fare every morning and get up every morning. Living job is more convenient. If me have a husband, no, I wouldn't take it. So what you're trying to tell me? Because me never listen to all the video. Yes, me is a freeloader. That's why me take living job. I jealous because I said you did it on social media. Watch me. And you see how me living nice and comfortable. Me take living job. Of course, I take living job all the time. Me is a single woman and I come home and I pay my rent and I come home same way. When I was living at Tasha house, I do my living work. It's easy for me. It's easy. Me work Monday and come off Friday morning and take the weekend off and go enjoy myself. When I used to work with all Metro. Me take my living job because me live in New York City. Who want to get up every morning and take Uber? Who want to get up every morning and taking subway, taking buses and taking trains? And I go down train station and I take 3-4 train to go to work every morning. Then who wants to do that and you're single? Me not have the chicken child I go home with, so me take living job is more convenient. What you trying to say? That you know, since you're idiot business right now, you want a living job right now. Because I remember speaking to you in the past and you were looking for the job too. A matter of fact, I remember the last time I spoke to you before we broke out, you were doing some part-time work, doing some job like that. So who are you talking to? Who are you talking to, Jennifer? Remember, you were hunting to find something else on the side. Jennifer, everybody have it hard in some sort of way. We have a time in our life when we go ups and down. Back to you. So who are you coming out here cussing? You're just cussing me because I'm flourishing. You're just cussing me because I don't have no pressure on me. You're just cussing me because I don't coming out here and I'm not begging nobody to buy a sheet and curtain. You're just cussing me because them don't have nobody can cuss me about no financial situations. You sit down and watch me. You don't sleep. You come like a vampire. I mean, you keep your company at night time when the security guard work too. You don't have nothing to tell me. You're just jealous. Me not trouble you. But you have fabricate story upon Harleen too. Because I'm saying you have said she know you and you make up and you said she has sent out text message before she sent it to me. That's not true. That's not true. Not while she's texting me. She must do it after. But not iPhone. Me see the text. So what time she after 2 seconds for go send something for you? Not them the conversation the way she have in there. What she saying come give me. Unless it 2 hours and lick crutches. Fear send back vice me come give you. I mean no session she wouldn't lick you. Unless she 2 hours and lick crutches for she are so compelling for you to control her. For you have to approve the voicemail, the text message them. I mean no session you and I lick crutch. That's how I put it. For she if send you every blood clot text message when she text me this evening. Based on what is in the text message. Because nothing in there. If send you if you approve of it. It's more than like Marcia, I don't want to have nothing to do with social media, you know, and them sort of something there. So what is it? Why would she text you them there's something there when there's nothing in there incriminating? It's just about social media is a negative place and what she said and whatever and social media. And she don't want to get involved. So what is that for you to approve? You're a liar. You is a liar. Why would she send it back? You're not there? What happened? You had die or something and she have to send a text message for you to approve. You say what she talk to me say? Liar. Liar. I think you should stop smoking try to stop smoking for 3-4 days and drinking the alcohol where you drink. Because I notice when you go to Jamaica you carry up one suitcase full of alcohol. So basically you're a smoker and you're an alcoholic. Because based on how your lips stay. I think you should stop smoke. Try to stop smoke. Drink some roots instead. And go back and listen to your video them that you make about me. And see if I'm a real person attack. Are you so delusional? Are you getting mad? I think so. And ask yourself a question. What concern it is to you about me if you go take DNA test to prove to you if me I fuck your man? Me I there with your daddy? You want to know if CJ is your nephew? Almost that. Bitch, me no know you. Almost that. Why you so concerned? Go get a DNA test. Go get a DNA test. Oh, Donna never trust you. Donna like you. I mean, the two fucking thing you can't talk about is Donna and DNA test. Something wrong with you. Miss D never, I mean, this is your brainwash. You don't see it sound normal. Do you listen to yourself? Dirty girl. You know say you're better than Donna? According to you, or the way you write and the way you speak. You know you're better than Donna? So why are you out here acting like a blood clot, bumper, pussy clot fool, bitch? When it comes to certain intelligent, you're more intelligent than her. Why are you running down a girl when I like you? Why you bring up old time story we're gone from 3-4 years ago for? You know, she say you need to see a psychiatrist. Go and look at psychiatrists. Them have a lot of free psychiatrists about the place. Your son, somebody going through a midlife crisis. When last have been to church? Because it's only when people no go to church and can't talk like you. Pathological liar. You and the woman across the borderline.